Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The Canadian dollar was little changed against its US counterpart, with the currency holding on to its recent gains as oil prices rose and data showed growth in the US economy. Samsung Electronics has appointed J.Y. Lee as the executive chairman to lead the world's largest smartphone and memory chip maker, 2 months after the heir received a presidential pardon that erased the 54-year-old's criminal record. Oil rose more than $1 a barrel, extending the previous day's rally of nearly 3%, as optimism over record US crude exports and signs that recession fears are abating outweighed concern over slack demand in China. The Aussie dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Alibaba shares made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.3%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The French gross domestic product will be released at 0630 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Australia's producer price index at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US personal spending will be released at 1230 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.